I've always had a passion for cars. Started off with some unique cars back when I was younger, and just the passion just grew and grew and grew as I got older. Myself, I've got a 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. Yeah, it's a pretty good car. Starts first time every time, goes well, but costs a lot of money to put petrol in it. My connection with the Crookwell Car Club started in 2017. Just a lot of like-minded people in town got together, we formed the club. Yeah, and it's just blossomed from there. Well, the highlight for me is the mateship and the friendship that I've developed in the club. I've developed a lot of close friendships with people in the club, and we get a good reaction from the community. They've embraced the club fairly well, and people speak highly of us around the town. I just like helping people with the problems that they have with their old cars, and I quite often get people here from time to time. We enjoy working on the cars together, and I've actually imparted some of my knowledge to some of the people. Well, I first heard about wide span sheds when I was doing my research to buy the shed. I looked at their designs, and one of the features that struck me was the high centre, which I needed so I could fit my hoist in, and it fits perfectly. I was just impressed by their quality and their service. Their communication when I was buying the shed was very good. If I needed to ask any questions, I'd either email them or ring them up, and yeah, straight back on the phone or on the email straight back to me. My wife and I actually built the shed. We figured it's all there, it's just one big jigsaw puzzle. We had the plans were well laid out, well set out, so my wife and I built it ourselves. It took us about 6 months of weekends. I think my wife and I did a pretty good job considering none of us are builders. Yeah, the functionality I required is more than suited for this shed. It's a perfect design, it's exactly what I needed. It was fairly easy to build, and yeah, it ticks all the boxes as far as I was concerned.